First one on our list is Lam Research Corporation. The company operates in industrial machines area. From long-term perspective, the chart has been in uptrend for many years. And in recent months, the candle has tried to break out. If you look at it carefully, the formation of the pattern started since the month of January 2022. So in reality, the chart formation has been there for around 2 years now, which is very, very strong. Look at it carefully and you'll see at the price mark of about 730, it tried to cross the 730 line for a couple of times and it hasn't been successful. However, in last week, the price has gone above the 730 price and it has been a successful breakout. Volume has also been in support for the breakout candle. Now let's mark our buy price, stop loss price and the take profit price. If we measure the depth of the pattern and add it to the breakout area, so our target price should be somewhere around 1148, and that seems to be giving a profit of 57%. Given that this is a large cap stock, our buy price would be 773, stop loss would be somewhere around 683, and the profit levels, first profit levels I would say, would be 1148. And that's the reason the risk to reward ratio for this trade would be 4:1. Second promising chart that we are going to look at today is Monolithic Power Systems. The company operates in semiconductor areas. And now look at the chart. This again is from S&P 500, which is a large cap stock. Look at it from long-term perspective. It has always been in uptrend, forming higher bottoms. Now let's zoom in and understand what has happened in the recent years. So from the last couple of years, if you can see, the chart has been in a range. So it has tried to form a consolidation and hasn't been able to give a candle that will close above 573 until the last week. Look at the volume. The volume spikes has been happening over the last few months, I would say. So to calculate the target, measure the depth of the rectangle and add it to the breakout price. So our buy price would be somewhere around 633 and target price comes at around 840, which gives us about 46% of profit. So what does the trade look like? The buy price would be 633, stop loss would be 526, and the target price comes somewhere around 840. And the risk to reward ratio for this trade would be around 3:1, which is not bad at all. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel to watch more such weekly breakout stock videos. Until then, happy investing.